In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email notifications in Wix Forms. We'll start on your Wix dashboard. On the left-hand menu, hover your mouse over the section labeled Customers and Leads. This reveals more options related to your site's contacts and form activity. From there, click Forms and Submissions. This is where all your existing forms and their entries are managed, so it's the ideal place to control who gets notified when someone fills something out. On the Forms and Submissions page, find the form you want to manage and click Edit. That opens the form editor for the specific form you've selected, so any changes you make here apply only to this one. Inside the editor, look for Settings and open it. Settings is where Wix centralizes behaviors that happen after a visitor submits the form, including messages, redirects, and the notifications we're setting up today. Within Settings, go to Notifications and Automations. This area controls what happens automatically when the form is submitted. Find the automation tied to form submissions and click Edit. You'll see options for triggers and actions. Before changing anything else, make sure this automation is turned on. If the toggle is off, switch it on now. Otherwise, no emails will be sent, even if everything else looks correct. Next, choose the action. Send an email. This tells Wix to deliver an email each time the form is successfully submitted. Here, you can typically set who receives the email, what the subject line says, and what appears in the message body. Select the recipient that makes sense for your workflow, whether that's the site owner, a shared inbox for your team, or another approved address. Keep the subject line clear and identifiable. For example, include the form's name, so it's easy to spot in a busy inbox. If available, include form details in the message so you can quickly understand what was submitted without opening the dashboard. Aim for concise content to reduce the chance of emails being flagged as clutter. When your email detail look good, click Apply. This commits the change to the automation. Wix typically saves your configuration as you apply it, so you don't need to redo these settings later. If you manage multiple forms, repeat the same process for each one so your notifications remain consistent across the site. That's it. You've enabled an automation that sends an email every time your Wix form is submitted. This simple setup helps you respond faster, keep your team informed, and make sure no lead slips through the cracks.